Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Unless you are new here, then thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing another Boxcharm unboxing and first impressions. So if you guys don't know what Boxcharm is a monthly subscription box, and you can get 4 to 6 items, sometimes full sized items, but most of the actual value of the box goes over $100. So you pay $21 and you get some really good products. Each month there is a different theme, but like I said, I will leave everything down below. I will also leave my referral code down below if you guys want to join. But I have been doing Boxcharm since, I want to say May or June, and I have been obsessed since. I have found some really good items that I normally wouldn't buy for myself. If you want to see what is in this month's Boxcharm, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and when you open it, the first thing that you see, like normal, is a description of what is in your box. So this month's theme is Gold Digger, and I got all of this. It tells you a little bit about each product, and it also tells you the retail price. So I went ahead, like I normally do, I opened the box before, and I just did my base. So I did my foundation, I primed my eyes, I did my brows. Everything else you're going to see on camera. But first, let me open this up. Okay, so first let me tell you what I got in the box. So first item that I am opening up right now is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. This retails for $21. Let me open this up. There are 4 different brushes in here. I really do like these brushes. They are gold and they do have like a glittery base. So there are 4. These are all like little brushes, but we have the 141 mini round brush, we have the 131 mini angled brush, we have the 221 mini tapered brush, and we also have the mini flat angled, which is the 111. So you do have these 4 right here like normal. I am going to try to do my eye look just using these brushes right here, just so you guys can try and get the same exact look that I am going to do. Next, we have the Lashaholic lashes. These are the Instagram false lashes. I actually just started using false lashes and I love them. Like, these are so pretty. It says ready, set, get addicted. These are so cute. These retail for $14.99. They are 100% vegan falsies. They're made from premium silk fiber, which gives your lashes dimension. And they have natural looking length and volume. So these are really pretty. I'm actually not going to be using these today. Sorry guys. I'm going to be saving these for just like an outing that I'm going to. I really want to use these lashes and I want them to be perfect. So I'm not going to be using these, but you guys can see that they are gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with them. I am going to post a picture when I actually do wear them. So stay tuned for that. I'll link all of my social medias, Instagram, and my blog down below so you guys can check it out. And I also think I want to do a how to put on false lashes tutorial. Let me know if you guys would want that, because when I first started using lashes, I didn't know like what to do, and I was like, I don't know how to apply these. So YouTube was like my best friend, and I think I want to do that again for you guys, just so you guys can see how I put my lashes on. Next, I did get an eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner. This retails for $5. This is the Jaunt Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. I hope I said that right. If I did not, I apologize. But this does have a long-lasting subtle shimmer. So I'm very excited about this. You guys know I love my black eyeliner, so I'm very excited to try this out. Next, I have the Ace Beauté Grandiose Palette. So this retails for $24.99. I love the packaging of this. This looks so pretty, and I really like how it matches with like the gold theme. I think it's just so pretty. When you open it up, you do get a little sleeve, so I'm just going to take that off. I love this packaging, but I am obsessed with these colors. They look gorgeous. So you have 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes in this palette. They are easy to blend, and I feel like this is just such a great fall palette. I love this design. I also like how you can fold this back, but I feel like these colors are beautiful, and I'm so excited to try out these colors. And the last thing that I have in this is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. This is in the shade Nova. I feel like this is such a gorgeous color. It's going to be such a pretty highlight. I feel like you could use this as like an eyeshadow topper, lip topper, or to accent like your collarbone and stuff like this. This retails for $44. So again, this is the shade Nova. They are glittery. They can be used alone, under, over makeup, mixed into your foundation or your moisturizer for a glittery effect on your face and body. This is just so beautiful. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. I am going to start off with the eyes with this gorgeous palette. So I already did set my eyes, but I'm going to go ahead and I am going to use the mini tapered brush, and I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, Patchouli. I hope I'm saying these names right. And I'm just going to take this, and there is, I don't know if you guys could see. Let me see if I can do that again. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a bit of kickback. But I'm just going to apply this all over my lid so we can get a nice smooth base. I did use my Urban Decay primer already, but this really helps ensures we get a nice base. I don't even know what I want to do. Let's go in with this shade Cinnamon right here. I'm still going to use the mini tapered, and I'm just going to put that into my crease. So far, the colors like get on to the brush very, very nicely. The brushes are really, really soft. I'm going in windshield wiper motions, and then I am sort of going in circular motions just to buff it out. So it is a very pretty color. I really like these brushes, but I always love Luxie brushes. They are always so soft and so easy to work with, and the colors are very pigmented, so it's always good to go in with a light hand and then just add more. But as you guys know, that is like every single shadow. Alright, so I think I want to go in with this shade right here, which is the shade Poppy, and I'm going to go in with the mini angled brush. This is kind of like a cranberry color that I just think is so pretty, and I'm going to stamp that into the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm going to go back in with the mini tapered brush, and I'm going to go back in with Cinnamon, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that I have between those two colors. And then I'm kind of just going over that cranberry shade, the shade Poppy, just to lightly diffuse it and kind of blend that out. And I kind of want to use the shade Rose right here, and I want to put that right before that cranberry shade Poppy. So I'm putting that basically on the center of my eye and just blending that into the shade Poppy. Just blending everything together, going in with a very, very light hand. This looks very pink, but we are going to blend everything out. Do not worry. So far, I'm really loving the shades. They are so blendable. I'm going to go back in with the shade Cinnamon and just blend that right up top. But everything is super blendable. I'm really loving this palette. I feel like it looks so pretty. Now I want to switch it up and go in with the shade Patchouli and Prime Rose and just put that on the inner part of my eye. just to lighten it up just a little bit, because we do want to diffuse it just a tiny bit. So I'm going to go in with the shade Prime Rose, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to tap that right on. There we go. That looks so pretty. I'm going to go back in with the shade Cinnamon and just diffuse that shade Rose, because it is very vibrant. Then I'm going to go back in with the angled brush into the shade Cinnamon and kind of just bring that right up top and just blur out any harsh lines. I'm actually going to go in with a clean blending brush. This is just the Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to clean up the edges. Using those brushes is very nice, but when you use the same two brushes for a few times, it does get a little difficult to blend all of that out and make sure that you don't have any harsh lines. So I'm kind of getting into the feeling of bringing my colors more outward and kind of dragging the look out. So I'm just going to go in with another brush and kind of just pack that on, just because when I close my eyes, I don't want to just see the pink. I want to see some of the brown as well. Sorry, my battery died, but I didn't do anything else to my eyes, so I'm just going to finish up what I was doing. So what the last step that I did was I was taking the cinnamon color and sort of packing that on to the crease area, just because lately I have liked bringing my colors up and just a little bit out, just because I do have hooded eyes, so sometimes it is a little bit harder to see all of the color and the shadow on my eyes. Then I'm just going to take a bigger blending brush, or a brush that I use for blending. It is pretty big, and I'm just going to go in windshield wiper motions, and then I'm also just going to do circular motions to buff out any harsh lines that I do have. So I'm going to do that on both eyes. I'm going to take the mini flat angled brush, and I'm going to go in the shade Jasmine, and I'm going to put that right on the inner corner of my eye just to make this look pop. That is a very nice inner corner highlight. Then I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. So when I do that, oh my god, that's gorgeous. I usually go from the arch of my eye down. This is such a pretty highlight color. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can. Okay, so then next I'm going to go in with the mini round brush, and I am going to, I'm trying to see what colors I want to do. I think I'm going to mix these two colors, Cinnamon and Poppy, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm done with this palette, and I'm just going to clean up the edges. I also want that brow bone highlight to sort of blend in with the colors on my lid. But I am really loving this palette. I feel like the colors were super easy to blend. The colors are very pretty. You can do like a warm tone look. I feel like this is perfect for fall. I'm really loving this eyeshadow look. I'm so excited to dip into these shades right here. I feel like the colors are just so beautiful, and I'm so happy that I did get this palette. But the brushes and the palette, I do give 2 thumbs up because they are beautiful. So next I am going to line my eyes with this eyeliner. And it does have a glittery effect. I'm going to do the top lash line. I'm just gonna do a simple line. Usually it's harder for me to do lines with a pencil. Very easy to do a straight line, and it wasn't like pulling or tugging or anything like that. I felt like it was very easy to do. And the color is also very pigmented. So I just want to line my lash line with this too. But I'm going in very, very lightly because I don't want a super dark lash line. But this was really easy to apply. The color is very pigmented. You can make it darker or lighter depending on what kind of look you want. But I do like how it does have that little glittery effect because I feel like that kind of makes my eyes pop a little bit more. And lastly, I'm going to go in with these Color FX drops. I have heard nothing but amazing things about them, but I'm just going to take this and just do a little squirt on the back of my hand because you literally just need a little bit of this. Like, you could see how pretty and pigmented that is, but I'm just going to take my finger. I'm going to use this as a highlight. So I'm just going to take my finger and just dab that on my skin. I feel like this gives a very natural kind of glow. Like, look at how pretty that is. It gives a natural glow that you can build up if you want. And it's very, very easy to blend. And it's very easy to build up as well. And I'm just going to put that down my nose as well. And just a little bit on my Cupid's bow. A little bit goes a long way. And I'm also just going to put some on my collarbone just because I am rocking an off the shoulder top. And I'm just going to put it on both because I don't know if I'm going to switch it later. But you can see, like, I only did a little bit, but you could see that nice pretty glow that it gives. And it's very glittery, which is something I love. I love glitter. Like, you can even see on my hand. I love glitter. I feel like this is very, very pretty. But I'm just going to finish off this look with a lipstick. I actually just got this. This is the Palladio and Casey Holmes collaboration. She came out with this a while ago, but I was able to snag one up. This is the color Rescue. So I'm just going to put this on my lips. I love the applicator. It is like circular, so you can get right in your Cupid's bow. And this is a color that I feel like I would use all the time. She does have, I believe, 2 other colors. It does dry down matte. And it is pretty pigmented. The overall cost of this box is $109.98. So I just paid $21 for this box and I got $109, almost $110 worth of stuff. The only thing that I did not use are the lashes, but I am going to be using them, I believe, in the next week or so. So just stay tuned for that. I'm going to link my social media down below. But I'm a huge lover of Boxycharm. I'm going to leave my referral link and everything down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely going to be doing more looks with this palette, so stay tuned for that because I'm loving all these fall colors. But thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget to comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!